Hello friends, I am Sangeeta from server 65. Today we will be discussing about the arena. As we know, there are two types of arena, peak arena and silver arena. Rewards of the peak arena, the rank 500 is more good than reward of the silver arena rank 1. So now we will discuss about the daily reward of the peak arena. Rank 1, it's a 1.3k Valor Medal. Ranking 2, 1.1k Valor Medal. Rank 3, it's a 1.0k Valor Medal. Rank 4 to 10 goes to 900 Valor Medal. Rank 11 to 20 goes to 800 Valor Medal. Rank 21 to rank 50 is the 700 Valor Medal. Rank 500 to rank 100, rank 51 to 100 is the 600 Valor Medal. Rank 101 to 500 is the 520 Valor Medal, and rank 500 to above is the 450 Valor Medal. Now, as we know, we had discussed about the daily reward of the peak arena. Now we will discuss silver arena. So in silver arena, rank 1 goes to 450 Valor Medal, rank 2 goes to 375 Valor Medal, rank 3 goes to 325 Valor Medal, rank 4 to 10 is just 270 Valor Medal, rank 11 to 20 is 240 Valor Medal, rank 21 to 50 215 Valor Medal, rank 51 to 100 it is 180 Valor Medal, rank 101 to 500 it is 140 Valor Medal, and last rank 500 to above it's a 115 Valor Medal. So now we will be discussing about the weekly reward. As we know, we have seen about the daily reward. Now we will discuss about the weekly reward. As we know, weekly reward will be divided into silver arena and the peak. So first we will discuss silver arena. In silver arena, reward is called like tele reward. So same pattern is a rank 1 is 4.5k Valor Medal, rank 2 it's a 3.7k Valor Medal, rank 3 is 3.2k Valor Medal, rank 4 to 10 it is 2.8k Valor Medal, rank 11 to 20 2.5k Valor Medal, rank 21 to 50 2.1k Valor Medal, rank 51 to 100 1.7k Valor Medal, rank 100 to 500 it is 1.4k Valor Medal, and rank 500 to above it is 1k Valor Medal. So we had seen about the silver arena. Now we will be discussing about the peak arena. It is rank 1 goes to 14k Valor Medal, rank 2 it is 11.5k Valor Medal, rank 3 is 10.0k Valor Medal, rank 4 to 10 is 8k Valor Medal, rank 15 to 20 is 7k Valor Medal, rank 21 to 50 is 6k Valor Medal, rank 51 to 100 4.8k Valor Medal, and rank 100 to 500 it is 3.5k Valor Medal, and rank 500 to above it is 2.5k Valor Medal. So we had seen all the rank and Valor Medal. Now we will discuss about the how to enter in peak arena. We will be see how to enter in peak arena. So top 200 survivors by total hero power in the state leader in the state leaderboards are eligible for the peak arena. Arena rewards include rare currency, Valor Medal, which can be used to redeem orange equipment choice boxes with a limited number of weekly redemptions allowed. We can buy orange equipment from the Valor Medal from the black market store. So one orange equipment 1 week per week and the cost is 15k Valor Medal. Now I will show my orange equipment and also show the promotion of orange equipment with the help of Power Core. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe for more information. Thank you friends.